So with the help of my buddy Robert, thanks Robert, I was able to move in a large portion of the tools from my little shop into my bigger shop. There are no organizational structures other than a piece of pegboard on the back of a baker's rack over there. Everything else is getting stacked up around the walls at the moment. In addition, we broke the legs on my cheap little Harbor Freight router table. This is a lesson in what doesn't always work. So remember the computer table? I put wheels on one end of one and then bolts on the other. Well, the stupid wheel popped off from the end, and I had a drill press sitting on top of it and a vise. Robert caught the drill press and the vise came crashing to the ground and put a gash on the floor. There's the gash on the floor through the epoxy. But no, it just took me like 2 minutes to find it because we put the flex in it so that it makes it harder to see the imperfections. So those wheels and that table for heavy duty stuff, not so much. So coming very soon, workbenches of substance. Gonna do some 2x4 construction. It doesn't really matter. That's for a video for another day. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.